Hey guys, welcome back to Lavender Polish. I have actually changed my name in between posting this to Instagram and YouTube, so please ignore the fact that it looks like I'm ripping off someone else's design. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do a reciprocal hourglass gradient. We're going to be starting out with a white base coat. I'm using Well 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 by Hansen. This will help the colors really stand out and pop. Next, I would recommend using some sort of liquid latex, but unfortunately I had run out, so I'm using a mixture of glue and water, which has almost the same effect. We're going to put this around the outside of our nail to make cleanup easier once we're done. Taking a makeup sponge, I'm layering Royal Hue and Lacey Lilac, also by Hansen, side by side, letting them overlap a little bit in the middle to help create a seamless blend. Once the latex or glue has dried, simply begin dabbing the sponge on your nail, mostly from side to side but with small up and down motions to properly blend the colors. It was here that I realized these weren't the most opaque polishes in the world, so I did have to do quite a few coats to really get everything looking nice. I added a quick dry top coat and then 2 pieces of striping tape forming an X on my nail. This will act as the outline for the hourglass. Then I went ahead and covered my cuticles with more glue, this time putting it on top of my nails as well, getting the insides of the X. Here's where the fun starts. Taking another makeup sponge, I'm layering the same 2 colors in the opposite order, so Lacey Lilac is on top and Royal Hue is on the bottom. Go ahead and dab this combo on your nails once again, making sure to really cover up the colors underneath. Again, I had a little bit of trouble with this as my colors were pretty hard to build up. Without waiting for it to dry, go ahead and take some tweezers, or if you can't find those, a very clunky and difficult to use nail clipper, and peel the tape and glue off. And just look at that gradient. It turned out exactly the way I hoped, and I can tell you I did not want to take this design off. I kept it on for such a long time. I added another quick dry top coat to seal and smooth the design, and finally put on a matte top coat to really show off the gradient effects. And this is our final result. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please let me know if you decide to recreate this design, because I would love to see it. Have a good week!